Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, thanks for coming by. Sorry, I'm really tired today. My allergies are just blah, 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 and I'm tired. I'm just drinking my morning coffee. Shout out to Starbucks for my free cup of joe this morning because of my golden stars. So what am I talking about today? I'm talking about why I cannot get PUA unemployment. This has been a big question that I've been receiving a lot. Why I cannot get PUA benefits. So I personally don't qualify for PUA. I don't qualify for unemployment benefits. Am I driving for Uber right now? No. Did I stop driving because of coronavirus? Yes. Did I stop working because of coronavirus? Yes. So why can't I apply for PUA? Well, I want to explain it to you guys. So I applied for the PPP loan and the EIDL loan. EIDL. Economic Injury Disaster Loan, both put in place by the SBA, right? Small Business Administration from the US stimulus bill. So I actually did receive $5,000 from the PPP, which is the Paycheck Protection Program, and I am still waiting to get $1,000 from EIDL. I should get the EIDL. We'll see what happens with that. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure, but hopefully I do. The reason I can't do PUA though is because I have a business set up. I have an LLC. So when I started about a year ago, doing entrepreneurship and doing Uber, Lyft, you know, all these apps, just didn't really make sense for me to have all this income coming in and just paying self-employment tax on all of it. And you know, it just kind of gets messy. So I also want to have an LLC, have business insurance and stuff like that, yeah, basically just for taxes, get a CPA. So they recommended I start up an S Corp. I already had an LLC, so you know, I file as an S Corp through an LLC. So I am actually an employee of my own LLC. That's how it works, and a lot of people do this. A lot of small business owners who have high income create an LLC and then they get paid out as an employee of their company. So so I have a smaller salary, and then I use, like, you know, I can have this business car, like this is a company car. I have a business account, business bank account. What else? Basically I can write off a lot more stuff and I don't have to pay the self-employment tax. So with that being said, I still receive a paycheck from my business. So if I were to try to file unemployment, I would basically file unemployment from my own company. I can't get like PUA benefits because I'm still getting a paycheck. And even if I stopped getting a paycheck, like my own company would have to pay for my own unemployment, which wouldn't even make sense. And when you apply for PUA, they try to get you traditional unemployment first. And if you don't have a job that would give, if you don't qualify for unemployment, then they send you PUA. So the reason I can't get it is because of the way I have my business set up. So that's the main reason why. I know it kind of does suck that I can't get all the unemployment benefits that some people are getting. I've heard some people are getting like $900, $1,000 a week for like 8 weeks, 12 weeks, 13 weeks. And then they're also getting like whatever the state amount, a couple $100, whatever, it depends on how much you made before. but some people are getting that for up to a year, so, or like 9 months. Well, no, more like 11 months. So I know it kind of sucks that I can't just do that, but hey, this is the life I chose. I chose to set up a small business, and I did get that PPP loan. So the PPP loan was 2.5 months of income of my payroll. So I'm getting, basically it's covering my checks, my checks that I'm paying myself for 2.5 months. So it's definitely better than nothing, but I know some people are getting like, I've heard some people like they got like $9,000 when they first signed up, and now they're getting like an extra $1,000 a week because of all the retroactive pay. But yeah, I just wanted to come clear, share with you guys why I can't get the unemployment. For example, this invoice that I have, this is something that I paid for with my company card. This is a company card. This is for a new tire, I think. Yeah, this is for a new tire. So I paid for this on my company card, so I get to use that as a tax write-off, or tax deduction, sorry. But yeah, guys, that's because it's an expense. That's all I want to share with you guys why I can't get PUA. Thanks guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.